Hello. Today we delve into the obscure world of antiquated fashion accessories. This gold buckle, once a statement piece for the fashionable elite, now resembles something you might find in your great-aunt's attic. It's believed this buckle hasn't seen a polishing cloth since the Great Fire of London. Here we zoom in on what experts believe are small, shiny pebbles embedded in the metal. Some speculate they could be a primitive form of currency used by ancestors to purchase essential items like powdered wigs or papier-mâché globes. The delicate etchings on this buckle tell a story as old as time itself, or at least as old as people started wearing clothes with holes in them. The patterns suggest an early form of communication, possibly used to convey messages such as "wash me" or "I heart powdered wigs." As we marvel at these ancient artifacts, one can't help but wonder, were they fashion statements, status symbols, or just really tiny shields for ants? The answers remain as elusive as trying to find matching socks after laundry day. Now, take a closer look at these exquisite engravings. Each stroke appears to have been meticulously carved by hand, presumably by someone who had more time on their hands than a clockmaker in a town with no clocks. These initials could belong to anyone, perhaps a lost love, a secret society, or just someone with a really long name. They add a personal touch to this piece, like an ancient version of carving your crush's initials into a tree, but with more class and fewer splinters. As we contemplate these timeless marks, one can't help but ponder, what stories do they hold? Were they symbols of allegiance, declarations of ownership, or just someone's way of saying hands off, this is mine? Join us next time as we delve deeper into the mysteries of history's forgotten trinkets and attempt to answer burning questions like, do you think they had really tiny monocles back then? We've assembled a makeshift arsenal of polishers, cloths, and a brush that's been around more blocks than a London taxi driver. Before commencing the delicate operation of restoring this artifact, we take a precautionary measure. Behold, the blue tape, a modern marvel in the world of restoration, not to be confused with the less successful red or green tapes. This strategic placement ensures that only the metal components receive the full polishing treatment. It's a technique perfected through generations of trial and error, or as I like to call it, oops, that was the wrong tape. It turns out polishing gold is more challenging than explaining the offside rule to a sheep. But fear not, we're committed to restoring this buckle to its former glory, or at least making it presentable for an awkward family reunion. Behold, the transformation is subtle. One might say it's gone from looking like a medieval heirloom to resembling a moderately shiny paperweight. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Remember, if life gives you tarnished buckles, make moderately shiny paperweights.